How to change webcam on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change webcam on Omegle. First, go to your web browser. Here, you need to search for Omegle. Click to open its official website. Now scroll down and click on Video. Mark all these options in order to be agreed with their terms and conditions. Click on Confirm and Continue. Once you're in and connected, click on this cam icon. Then click on the Manage button. From Permissions, click on Camera. Before you get here, make sure that you have downloaded and installed another webcam on your system. As you can see, by clicking here, it shows the cam you're using. And you can select the one you want from this list. It will show all the available webcams for your system. Just click on the one you want to choose. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.